नमस्ते।
की हाल है?
बस बढ़िया।
सब ठीक है?
सब ठीक है।
और विनोद भाई कहाँ है?
विनोद भाई बाहर है।
बाहर है?
तो मैं बुलाऊं?
यस प्लीज यार।
अभी बुला दूंगा है?
I remember the first time I went for an oriental dance class. My mom came with me because we had seen belly dances in Tunisia. So she was afraid that I wouldn't end up, you know, shaking in front of everyone. So she went with me to check out whether it was decent enough. Ta-da! Recimo. Tako. Potem imam kaj Malajo. Iz Aleksandrije. Sicer sem jo kupila v Sloveniji, kolegice, ampak načeloma je to iz Egipta. Ajmo, habibi. Zna biti orientalska. Pa si ga naša? Ja, naša. To vaša je, a za danes? Ja. To je pa dober znak.
Dober znak, da imajo našo muso.
Pa dela.
Se nam samo še CD pa MP3, veš?
Aha, ja, za vsak slučaj.
Tako se mi zdi, kot da en delček
manjka.
Ja, kot da je zvonil.
Lahko pa dam eno drugo vidiš.
Ne se bo. Ej, jaz sem rekel, da biš lepo še enkrat. Ja, dobro. Ne, sam vidim, sam da je držala malo.
Zdaj pice, za pol.
Limpaga limpaga limpa ho, limpaga limpa. Limpaga limpaga limpa ho, limpaga limpa.
En, dva. Ja, pa smo videli. En, dva, tri, štiri. Ja? Zdravo. En, dva, tri, štiri. Koliko pa bom? Ok, in greš s tem bokom. En, dva. En, dva. Yeah? So sometimes I'd come from school and I'd cry of thinking, oh my god, I'm so ugly, you know. I wouldn't fit in, and obviously, and I was getting plump and teased for that. I felt like the pressure to look like this, to be like this. I didn't feel good in the class, and I wasn't even kind of allowed to perform that time, so I felt left out. I guess it's been in my mind through the years, so but in a way it's a good experience, because had I been a lovely girl, you know, a perfect girl, I think maybe I would have a grand ego now. So maybe it's a good experience after all. सारी जिंदगी च खास तेरी तां सोची ना तेनू दिलों कदता सारी जिंदगी च खास तेरी तां सोची ना तेनू You have a very special place in my heart, so don't think I've taken you out of my heart. The people, they see your name in my tears. That's why I've stopped crying. And my heart keeps saying, crying, beloved, oh beloved, mahive, mahive. Mahi mahi dil mera kenda renda hai, dard judai wala senda renda hai, mahive, mahive. As a girl who studied a lot and wasn't glad about her looks, I didn't have the courage to tell anyone I liked, hey, I like you, or, you know, so I was introverted, I'd say. And I had a low self-esteem, so I think the first time I'd hear I was cute or whatever is actually from Indian guys or from Arab guys. And also, to be honest, I feel more attracted to oriental looking men.
That's it. And then the next move, the guy will turn the girl. 1, 2, and she gives them circle. Okay. Again, guys, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then and you're off the stage, right at the edge of the stage. You run here.